Are you looking for a Christmas unit study to carry you through the month of December? Well, today I'm going to share with you Gather Round Homeschool's Christmas unit. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas episode 1. Today I'm going to share with you guys the Gather Round Homeschool's Christmas unit study. We're going to take a look into it and see what it's like inside. This is the unit study that we're going to be using for our basis for our holiday school all of December. If you want to see exactly what we're doing all this month, make sure to check out the video right here and you'll get to see exactly my holiday school plan. So this is Gather Round Homeschool Christmas Unit Study, and this is the teacher's guide. I'm going to take you through the teacher's guide alongside with the early reader and the early elementary booklets here. Here is the table of contents, and it tells you all of the different things that you're going to be studying. There are 12 lessons. So we're going to be looking into the life of Mary, Joseph, John the Baptist. We're going to be talking about the census, a star, shepherds, wise men, the great plan, hidden meanings part 1 and 2, Christmas around the world, and traditions. So here's your recitation that you're supposed to work on with the kids every single day. It goes from Luke 2 verses 1 through 20. You have the King James Version, ESV version, and the New King James Version, and the New International Version. Next, you have your Christmas book list, and there's a big list here of picture books to read together. And I went through this list, and I went to my library website, and I requested as many as I could. Not that many, but like 7 of them to put into my basket for read out loud time. And then you have other read out louds here and readers as well. This page here is the supply list. You have the groceries you're going to need for the first 3 weeks, and then a list of all the supplies for all the other lessons. Over here you have Christmas at a glance. You can write down all the events that you have for the month, any family traditions, your shopping list, your baking, and any to-dos that you have. And here's a pretty little Christmas tree for you to color, Mama, because the kids have their own coloring pages. So let's go into lesson 1 of the teacher's guide, and then we'll go through lesson 1 in the early reader to see how it goes together, and we'll check out the early elementary while we're at it. So in the beginning of each section you have your day at a glance, and it tells you everything that you're going to need. So in lesson 1 we're going to do the recitation. Then we're going to be doing a gift to Jesus, and then a Christmas song, and making a stable. It tells you what to do before you begin. Work on your recitation passage in front of your student notebooks, and then take a few minutes to pray and ask God to open your eyes, heart, and mind to hear what He has to say to you today. Need something to keep little hands busy? Check out the bonus coloring sheets in the pre-reader and early reader notebooks and have them color while they listen. So while I'm reading, or you're reading, the story about Mary, we'll normally be able to color. This first lesson doesn't have anything for them to color, but here, as when you're done reading, it tells you also to look up the Bible, in the Bible, Luke 1:26 to 38, and then read it together. It tells you what to discuss, and then you continue to read about the meaning of Christmas. It tells you when to pause for answers. And then here it says, let's connect. It says to go around the circle as a family and share your favorite Christmas memory. What made it special? What are some ideas you have to help you be more intentional about the true meaning of Christmas this year? And if you want, write your ideas down below. So this is something that the teacher can do themselves, because in the kids' notebooks, they are going to be writing their ideas here. Then you have the optional extension activity. It says after you make your stable today, go to the appendix of your student notebook and color and add Mary to your nativity, or if you want, make your own Mary with rocks, sticks, or cardboard. So what I did was order off of Amazon these little wooden dolls for them to make their own figurines for their nativity, and I thought that'd be cute. Alright, and then they have the assignment. It says, students, it's time to work in your notebooks. Open up your notebook to lesson 1 and complete today's activity together as a family. So in both of their lesson 1 today, it's similar. They will be talking about the song, The Little Drummer Boy. It talks about it. And then it talks about getting a gift for Jesus. And then they are going to write down their ideas of gifts that they can make or do for Jesus, and then listen to the little drummer boy. The next page says that each week we're going to learn a new Christmas song, and it has the piano music here. It says you may already know the song, but you can ask a parent to teach you some harmony, learn some of the verses that you don't know, and practice the song every day and think about what it means. And then you have the instruction to begin their manger. And every day there's going to be a different part for them to make until it's complete. It's the same for both of these. Now sometimes when you go into, for example, lesson 2, in the early readers book, there's a coloring page for them to color while the teacher reads, but you don't have that in the early elementary book. So there's lots of extra coloring pages in the early reader and pre-reader to keep the kids busy while you're reading to them. So now I'm just going to briefly go through these books each while you listen to some relaxing Christmas music, where you get a better feel for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about that and what your plans are for this December in your homeschool. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm doing Vlogmas, and tomorrow there'll be another video. So I will see you then.